there traders, welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what I found here in the last few days, I found there is a very well defined downside channel coming into the test of the low from February 18 around 114.79. Now, very interesting thing here this morning is that price basically refused to test by 1 pip and we failed to test that Friday's low coming into the US session. So from my perspective, I can see that the US session today can bring rally, and overall we can, from my perspective, I can see this swing to develop to the upside. So my advice to watch for buying opportunities basically, and for the price to rotate back towards 115.28 or eventually 115.50 or even 115.80 depending if we will see more power. So watch for buying opportunities based on this structure. I see the rally coming into the US session. Speaking of the gold is trading very flat today, and on Friday basically we got a very flat environment around 1894. Now the trend is absolutely to the upside in the short term, the bigger trends, the bigger breakout triangle. This is all for upside. But market will maybe need some kind of the flush down first. We never know about that because that's always possibility. Something like that. Similarly, we had this flush down first. So market, flash down first through the previous low and then find the buyers. So might be something similar here, but for now we just trading flat. So if the market will go maybe closer to the previous swing high, maybe flush down lows first and then bring some buying power, that can be a very good sign for upside continuation. So I will probably wait for something like this, and the best idea is maybe to wait for some flush down through the pivot lows 1886, maybe to go towards 1880 and then see if the market can find the buyers and build a higher lows for the higher prices. Since there is always option when the market is going flat and sideways for a day or two, that market can flush down first. That happened also here. It happened also many times in this rally if you check flush downs. So now we don't have any flush down, we have more like a sideways. So might be interesting to watch flush down and then see if the market can find the higher lows like here and start to build further continuation. And then we can expect maybe retest of 1908, maybe for price to go towards a 1955. But for now, we are trading sideways. Speaking of the crude oil, on the crude oil, we have a very, very sideways market. We have some defined channeling mode here, and market is trading at 91.40. There's a key pivot area around 89.18. So I would like to see more price action, more progress in case of upside continuation. I would like to see some upside spike and then potentially pull back to retest 95.30. That is a one option. Trend is still upside overall. If you check higher lows in the background, we still have a higher lows. But will this hold or not? We'll find out. If there is a bigger supply coming like this, then potentially market can clear the lows at 86.78, maybe even test 82 or 83 level actually. So watch for some kind of the breakout to confirm further direction. And Bitcoin is down 6% for the day. We got a pretty good reading on this one in previous weeks. We got a consolidation break here, another consolidation break here, and basically market is heading towards the levels that I marked last week. So 36,240, 35,500, and then 33,000 as well can be in the play. So I don't see any confirmation for the reversal or something like that. So watch for some rallies, intraday rallies, continuational patterns for eventual test to the next reference points. That will be all for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a nice day, trade safe, and see you all tomorrow morning.